I lost a noodle. All right, next.
Why are you laughing, honey?
Next plate.
Huh?
Because he didn't do it good.
Because I screwed up. Something screwed up. It's so soupy. I don't know if it should sit. Damn.
Did you just take it out?
Like 2 minutes ago.
There we go.
Ah, it's really good. I don't know if
Look at all the cheese.
That one is mine?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Oh, this one's.
Yeah.
I got forks out already.
All right. Little dust plate. Get her plate. This is yours, Ben.
Huh?
This one's yours.
Right here. I already put a fork out.
That one's Max.
And this is yours right here.
Yep.
Excuse me.
Damn.
Mmm. Sarap. Mmm.
Good.
Sarap. Anak, walang bra. I don't have bra. Lasagna. Mmm.
It's very soupy. It shouldn't have that much soup. It should be drier. I think it was the spaghetti sauce.
Mmm.
Cheesy.
Can
I'm
I have the glass door, please? Thank you.
Welcome. Time to go eat.
Okay. Here guys, we're here now in our kitchen because my bananas is making he's making the lasagna. This one the ground beef and the lasagna this one. The noodles. This one right darling? Yan. And then look, it's already finished one layer. Dang, 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 dang. It's look yummy. What is the white one, Dad?
Ricotta, cottage cheese, Italian.
Wow.
Very rich. We're going to be eating lasagna for a week.
Correct.
Yeah, it's a lot of lasagna. I couldn't find a smaller one.
What is this?
That's my drink. Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah, I gotta work on the browning here.
don't worry, I don't take your belly, just only your face. Just my banana. It means husband.
Barnacle.
Banacol.
little bit more. Now, one layer done.
Lasagna, honey, it's ground beef. Or it's different for you. Okay, talking about lasagna. Talking about lasagna.
Talking about lasagna?
Yeah.
Lasagna is like the best food in the world
Really?
because it's so rich. Oh.
And then
The
it's
Italians did a wonderful job when they invented lasagna.
really, it's good.
Oh, yeah.
And then, but it's different for you. What kind of ground?
You
meat
can put almost any meat you want in lasagna. You can use chicken, ground turkey, hamburger, pork. You can do combination, all of them. Put them in it. Usually they just use ricotta cheese in the layers. So you put a layer of the noodle, and then you put a layer of the meat, and then you spread sauce over it, and then the cheese, and then you do another layer of noodle. So you just keep going up, and if you have a big enough pan, you could make 6-layer lasagna. I like 3 or 4 layer lasagna. You have a lot of food in one little area, and the ricotta cheese is kind of rich. So
What is that? Cheese?
Ricotta cheese.
Ricotta cheese?
Yes, so I use a combination. I put sour
What did you
cream.
use now?
Well, I use sour cream, ricotta, and some cottage cheese. Some people substitute the cottage cheese.
Start talking.
All right, so now we're spreading our next layer of meat. I'm going to try to do this thin enough so we can... Yeah, now that we have our layer of meat, we spread it around. Make sure it's kind of even. It's always good to have a surprise though. You like that extra meat. Yeah, and then we pour a little bit of sauce. I need a spoon for this. When the meat's done. So I can take a spoon. Sauce, spread it around. You don't want to overdo it with the sauce, a little bit. You don't want everything swimming. I might have to bust open another can of spaghetti sauce. It's usually what we use, just regular spaghetti sauce, anything you got. And you can add flavoring to it to make it taste.
So what kind of sauce? That tomato?
This is tomato sauce. This is spaghetti sauce.
It's look yummy. Oh, I want to eat now.
This tomato basil. Oh, I know. I do too.
Not yummy. Because it still don't have sauce.
Still don't have sauce? Yeah, sauce. I should just mix the hamburger with the sauce. It'd been easier. Okay.
So one more layer. How many layer it is?
3 layers.
3?
Maybe.
I said maybe.
Maybe.
What is this?
This is the ricotta cheese.
Then how many minutes this put the oven?
About half hour. You're just gonna warm it up. Warm it up and melt the cheese. Put it in at like 375.
Yeah, because it's already cooked, right?
Everything's already cooked in it. So
Yeah, so you just warm.
we're just gonna warm it up. And this is a lot. This is a big tray. Normally it wouldn't.
And look,
Wouldn't take
look
this
this
much.
one, honey.
Mm. Okay, that's that. It's gonna be real cheesy. What do you think? Good?
Yeah. Something.
Huh? You tell me to take a hike? Oh, say something. I love lasagna.
What about me? You
You
don't love me?
No, of course I love you.
I'm more
But you're
than
not
lasagna.
lasagna.
But I'm more than lasagna, honey.
Oh, I don't know about that.
You're so
Hey.
crazy.
What are you doing? You're dropping pretzel pieces all over
I know.
the floor.
Sorry.
All right.
All right.
Now more noodle.